Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we're making up a very easy little mini cheesecakes. So let's just jump right in and get it started. And everything you'll be needing, it's written right here. All right, here we have 2 8-ounce room temperature. You want to make sure that's room temperature, beat up for you nice and smooth. I have 2 8-ounce packages of full fat cream cheese. And to that, I'm going to add in 3/4 cups of white sugar. And I'm going to beat this up just until it's nice and light and fluffy. Okay, and scrape down your bowl. Now we're going to add in 3 room temperature eggs. One at a time, they'll mix them better for you. We've got 3 of these, we're going to do one at a time. And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, oven's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have 24 cupcake liners in my muffin tins here. That's why they're quick and easy. And we have some vanilla wafers. This is going to become your crust. And these are just so simple. You got a bunch of little ones at home. A lot of them from school, little treats for them. And we're going to fill these probably about halfway, right on top of that cookie. And I'll continue filling. Okay, I got actually 20. I may have went a little bit more with the cheese filling, but just fill your little paper cups with a wafer as you go. That way you know more or less what you're going to be getting. As you can see, I pulled some out and then I ate one. But in the oven they go, 350. They're probably going to bake maybe anywhere from 14 to 16 minutes. But I'll let you know how long they bake. As long as the toothpick goes in, comes out clean, they're done. All right. Okay, guys, mine actually baked for 18 minutes because I did go a little bit more than halfway. But if you go halfway, start checking yours around maybe 14 minutes or so because ovens do vary. You will get a little bit of that cheesecake on your toothpick when you bring it out, but not a whole lot. You're not looking to brown them. They're going to cook fast for you. They will collapse a little bit. And then we're going to let these come to room temperature, maybe 20 minutes or so. I'm going to stick these in the fridge or the freezer if you want to chill them down quicker. And then we're going to top them with some cherry pie filling. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I let these come to room temperature. Then I chilled them for probably a good 40-45 minutes. And just like any other cheesecake, you want these to set and firm up real good for you. Now, you could put any topping you want. I'm doing the cherry fruit filling and topping. You could do blueberry, pineapple, apple. I mean, all kinds. Lemon's really good. But I like to go and get a little bit of the... They're set up enough where they're not so soft where they won't sink. But I like to get a little bit of that gel there. Put a little bit on each one and put much as you want on them. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set and put these cherries on here. I'm going to put them back in the refrigerator and let these set for a good while. And you can leave some plain if you want. But I'll continue doing this. Okay, guys, there they are. I chilled mine, what, maybe an hour and a half, I guess. Something like that. Just until they set up for you. And but there they are. You can. I left some out plain because my grandbaby says, Grandma, leave me some plain. And they're simple. You got your little wafer there on the bottom. And see there? Just as long as that paper pulls off there. Then you got your little wafer right there on the bottom. There's your crust. They're simple. Just something simple. And I'm going to get a bite with y'all. Well, I am. So simple and so good. And the kids love to help with this too. But there they are. You guys make up some. Let me know what you think. And please like and subscribe as always. It's truly appreciated. And we will see you guys next Sunday. Meanwhile, make you up some. They're simple, easy, and quick. God bless. See y'all next week.